Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and we are on a channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. So student, in this video, the chapter is going on fraction and we are going to learn the important topic of this chapter that names subtraction of mixed like fractions. Okay student, in the earlier videos you know the concept of mixed fraction and like fractions. So here we are going to deal with the subtraction of these type of fractions. So I hope you will watch this video till end so that you may get 100% concept clarity. Let us start this video with the topic subtraction of mixed like fractions. Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and now we are going to solve the chapter fraction simplification question. Here the mixed fractions are there and these are like mixed fractions. Okay, it means in both the cases denominator are same. Here and here you can see. Now I am going to solve this question. Here this is a question number 1 and this is a question number 2. Now first of all I will check that which are the complete number 101 and 99. There is a subtraction, so I will mark two bracket. In one bracket I will write numbers and in the second one I will write the fractions. So 101 minus 99. Okay, now 11 by 31 minus 10 by 31. Okay student, 11 by 31 is the improper fraction, 10 by 31 is the improper fraction and the subtraction symbol is there, so I have written that. Now this was the very first step to solve the question. Now student, 101 minus 99, the answer is 2. Okay, I will write this as a complete number and this is very easy to solve, as you know, because these are like fraction. Therefore you will write the common denominator 31 and 11 minus 10. Okay, 11 minus 10, that is 1 over 31. So in this bracket the proper fraction is 1 by 31 and the complete number is 2. So your answer is 2 and 1 by 31. So this completes my answer. Okay students, if you understand this sum, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. Okay, now I am pausing the video. You can watch this question for 1 minute. Now we are on the second question. Here I am going to write this again, 5 and 3 by 7 minus 2 and 2 by 7. Okay, now 5 minus 2 and 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7. Okay, 5 minus 2, that is 3 and these are the like fractions. So I will write the common denominator 7. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, that is 1 over 7. Here the number is 3. Therefore its answer is 3 and 1 by 7. Okay student. Now if you want to write in the improper fraction, then how will you convert this? 7 multiply 3 plus 1. Okay, 21 plus 1 by 7. That the answer is 28 over 7. Okay. This is the improper fraction and this is the mixed fraction. So student, if you understand the question, then please subscribe our channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. Student, this is the easiest way to find the answer. Okay, so I have not adopt any other method and advise you to solve this type of question according to this explanation. Now here the question is of the simplification of fraction, but in this case the fractions are unlike fraction because the denominator are not same. So I adopt the same rule. First I will write two brackets. In one bracket I will subtract the numbers. Okay, now 23 minus 16, and here 5 by 8 minus 5 by 6. Now I will take the LCM of 8 and 6. Now LCM of 8 and 6, 2 divided 8, that is 4, and 2 divided 6, that is answer 3. Now again I will divide by 2. Now 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2, and the 3 is not divisible by 2, so I will write 3 as it is. Now again 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1, and 3 divided by 2, because it is not divisible, therefore I will write 3. Now the turn is of 3, so the answer is this. Now what is the LCM? The LCM is 2, 2, 2 and 3, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Though the LCM is 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 multiply 2, 8, 8 multiply 3, 24. Okay, so 23 minus 16, 23 minus 16, 7. So I will write 7 in the bracket, and here 24 is the denominator. Now 24 divided by 8, 24 divided by 8, the answer is 3. Again I will multiply this 3 here. Now 24 divided by 6, 24 divided by 6, the answer is 4. Okay, now I will multiply this 4 with 5. Now 7, 5 3 15 minus 20 over 24. Now 7 is a complete number, and 15 minus 20, here you see 15 minus 20. Now if you don't know integers, then you will say that 15 is smaller and 20 is greater. How can we subtract 20 from 15? But 15 is positive and 20 is negative. So firstly I will take the difference. What is the difference? Difference is 5. Now 20 minus 15, that is 5. Minus 15, that is 5. Now which one is greater, 20 or 15? In the absolute value 20 is greater. So what is the symbol with the 20? Minus. Therefore I will write minus 5. Okay student, so minus 5 over 24. Okay, now I can write this 7 minus 5 over 24. Now how will I do this now? 24 multiply 7, 24 multiply 7, 7 multiply 4, 28, 2, 7 2s are 14, 14 to 16. Okay, 168, here 24. 7 multiply 24 minus 5. So 168 minus 5 over 24. Now this is 163 over 24. Okay student, this is the answer. Now student, as you see, I have got 163 by 24. Now this is the improper fraction and the question was in mixed fraction. Okay, so we will convert this into mixed fraction. So I have to divide 163 with 24. So I must know what is the table of 24. For that I have multiplied here. 24 multiply 2, 48. 24 multiply 3, 72. Okay student, and 24 multiply 4, that is 96. 24 multiply 5, 120. 24 multiply 6, 144. 24 multiply 7, that is 168. You see, when we come up to 7, then this is greater. So we will write C, this 144 at the number 6. Okay students, so 24, 6 are 144. Now 13 minus 4, that is 9, and here 5. 5 minus 4, that is 1. Okay student, now this is the division. Now I will write denominator 24, the remainder as the numerator, and 6. Okay, so this is my final answer student. Now if you like this video, then subscribe our channel Think Math Think Different Zara Hatke. Now student, all these is rough work under this column, and here this part and this part are the solution parts. Okay, where are my hands? Those are the solution part. Okay student, now this is also the rough work. Now this is the rough work, this is the rough work, and here this is solution and solution. Question is there, the statement of the question, these are the solution steps, and from this step we reach to direct this step. Okay. Now student, I am going to solve another question of the unlike fraction. Now first of all I will write two brackets in which I will write numbers 12 minus 7, and in the second I will write the improper fraction. Now 12 minus 7, 5, and here what is the LCM? 16 and 4. Okay, as we know, if the smaller number is exactly dividing the greater number, then the greater number is our LCM. Okay, so our LCM will be 16. So I will write 16. Now I will divide 16 with the denominator. When I divide 16 with the denominator, then the answer is 1. Okay, so I will multiply 1 with 15. Now minus 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4, the answer is 4. So I will multiply this 4 with the numerator. Okay student, now here 5, and here 15 multiply 1, 15, minus 12 over 16. Okay student, now this is a 5 complete number, and here 15 minus 12, that is 3 over 16. Okay student, now I can write 5 and 3 by 16 is my final answer. If you want to convert into the improper fraction, then 16 multiply 5 plus 3. 16 multiply 5, 80. 80 plus 3 over 16 implies 83 over 16. This is the answer. Okay student, if you satisfied with this solution, then please subscribe our channel Think Math Think Different Zara Hatke. So students, now we are going to review which question we have solved in this video. So the first pair was this. After that the last one is there. These were like fractions. This is unlike fraction, and one more question of unlike fraction we have done. You can take the picture of these, or you may take the screenshot for the written purpose. Now the second question was, you can see here. And also this was the case of unlike fraction. So student, I advise all of you to watch the video completely to get the 100% concept clarity, and watch carefully and subscribe our channel to get the 100% concept clarity and full solution of the questions.